Hello everyone. Today we will study a very important and interesting topic, exponents and powers. Many times in our life we come across numbers which are very big. So to read these type of numbers we use exponents and powers. To understand the concepts properly, watch the video till the end. So let's start. As you all are familiar with these two figures. Yes, these are square and right angle triangle. Area of square is side square. If we have a square of side A, then area of square will be side multiply side, that is A multiply A, that means A square. In right angle triangle, we use Pythagoras, in which hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. According to given sides A, B and C, we can write it as C square is equal to A square plus B square. Here there is a number which is at upper right corner. What exactly that indicates? These numbers are exponents. So today in this video we are going to explore more about exponents and powers. Let's have a look at these numbers. We can read 5 as 5 multiply 1, that means 5. If we add 5 for 2 times, we can read it as 5 multiply 2, that is 10. If we add 5 for 3 times, we can write it as 5 multiply 3, that is 15. So that's a repeated addition. If we have to add 5 for 30 times, we can write 5 multiply 30. So for repeated addition, we can use multiplication. What can we do for repeated multiplication? Let's have a look at these numbers. Here 5 means 5 raised to power 1. If we multiply 5 for 2 times, we can write it as 5 raised to power 2. If we multiply 5 for 3 times, we can write it as 5 raised to power 3. If we multiply 5 for 4 times, we can write it as 5 raised to power 4 and so on. So that's a repeated multiplication. If we multiply 5 for 50 times, we can write it easily as 5 raised to power 50. So to write repeated multiplication, we can use exponents or powers. Here, prime factors of 32 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Here, there is a number 2 which are for 5 times. So, we can write it as like this. We can read it as 2 raised to the power 5. Here, 2 is base and 5 is exponent. So, exponents are number of times the base term is multiplied by itself. For example, if we multiply 8 for 9 times, we can write it as 8 raised to power 9. If we multiply 6 for 12 times, we can write it as 6 raised to power 12. Now, you must be thinking that why do we need to study exponents and powers? So firstly, we will study about it. Can you read this number? Yes, it is very difficult to read, but we can expand it easily like this. Here 10 is for 14 times, so we can write it as 5 multiply 10 raised to power 14. this is an exponential form. Exponential form is a notation by which we can write a large number in short form. Here are some examples for which we use exponents. Large distances. Exponents are used to measure large distances. For example, the distance from the earth to the moon is 1 multiplied 10 raised to power 5 kilometer. For earthquakes, exponents are used to measure the strength of earthquakes. A level 1 earthquake is 1 multiplied 10 raised to power 1. A level 2 earthquake is 1 multiplied 10 raised to power 2, etc. For computers, exponents are often used to describe a computer's memory. For example, 1 GB of RAM means that you have 1 multiplied 10 raised to power 9 bytes. Now understand the concept by some practical examples. Write 729 in an exponential form. Firstly, we will write the factors of 729, that are these. Here 3 is for 6 times, so we can write it 3 raised to power 6. This is an exponential form. Write 125 by 343 in an exponential form. Prime factors of 125 are 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Factors of 343 are 7 multiply 7 multiply 7. So, we can write it as 5 by 7 raised to power 3. Another example is simplify 7 square multiply 5 cube. Remember that power 2 of a number is read as square and power 3 of a number is read as cube. So, 7 square means 7 multiply 7. 5 cube means 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. So, 7 multiply 7 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 means 6125. In these examples, we have given expanded form, exponential form, base and exponents. Expanded form of 125 is this. Exponential form is 5 raised to power 3 and base is 5 and exponent is 3. Expanded form of 256 is this. Exponential form is 2 raised to power 8. Here base is 2 and exponent is 8. So, we can see it by another example also. In next video, we will study about laws of exponents. Thank you.